Hello guys, today I want to show you how to add a caller ID in Twilio. So, first, let's get started. Log in to your Twilio account. Then, head over to the left dashboard here. Click on Phone Numbers, click on Manage, and then click on Verified Caller IDs. Here, just head over to this blue button on top right corner. Add a new caller ID. Click on it, and here, just ask it to enter the caller ID details you want to add. So, select the country of the number you want to add, the verified number here, and then type in the number and extension, and select the options to receive the code. You want to receive the code via SMS or a call. And then click on Verify Number, so pro tip here, just make sure you have access on the number of phone you want to add here. So, make sure you have access to it. And that's it, guys. In a few simple steps, you've learned how to add a caller ID into Twilio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.